Blessed and happy Thursday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters. Today is May 7, 2026, Thursday within the 5th week of Easter year A. In today's Gospel from the account of the Gospel of John, chapter 15, verses 9 to 11, I hear Jesus speaking to my heart with a tenderness that is both comforting and challenging. As the Father has loved me, so I have loved you. Remain in my love. There is something deeply freeing in realizing that my life is not first about striving to be accepted, but about abiding in a love already given. God does not call me to earn His affection, but to remain within it, to live as one already cherished. When I forget this, I become restless, anxious, and easily weighed down by expectations I place on myself and others. But when I return to this truth, I rediscover that I am held by a love that does not change with my moods or failures. Jesus then connects this abiding love with obedience, not as restriction, but as relationship. His commandments become a path of freedom that shapes my heart to love as He loves. And in this journey, He reveals something profoundly beautiful, that His desire is not only my faithfulness, but also my joy. That my joy may be in you and your joy may be complete, says in today's Gospel. This tells me that God is not distant or severe. He is the source of a joy that is deep, joy that is steady and unshakable. Even amid struggles, this joy is possible because it is rooted not in circumstances, but in being loved by Christ. So I am reminded today that holiness is not sadness or burden, but a joyful remaining in His love, where I discover that I am wanted, sustained, and called to live a life that overflows with gratitude and peace. My dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, remain in God's love. Stay in God's love. Life is great when we feel we are loved, because love has the power to make all things beautiful. When we will abide in love, we too will abound in joy, because God's desire is to perfect our joy, and joy can only be found in abiding in His love. If you like and love this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.